guys, the WBJEE 2020 counseling application is live now, and today in this video I'm gonna take you through the entire process step by step. Well, this is where many of the students mess up really, and later they regret, but you won't. So if you're enjoying this video, hit that like button down there, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Well, now that I've done that, let's get to the application. So firstly, we need to go to WBJEEB official page. I will provide the link in the description box down below. Now click on go to WBJEE 2020 e-counseling. Now on this page, click on this one, click for online registration and choice filling. If you haven't registered yourself to the WBJEE counseling, then you need to click on this new candidate registration and read this consent and just agree. Now select the type of registration, put down the details here. Now after you submit, this is the kind of page that comes out. Well, here you need to provide your mobile number, email ID, and just choose a password. And final submit for registration. Now you can see here that the application forms, here the registration form is complete. So now let's fill the application form. Here just check in the details, put down your bank details and just save and next. Qualification details, well, here you need to provide your 10th English marks and the 12th grades for different subjects. Those who had statistics or any other subjects, they can go for not applicable option. Now it's time for the contact details, so just put down the address and just save and next. This is the upload documents page. Well, before uploading the PDF files, you should check out the size as mentioned. Upload the files, the 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, date of birth certificate, category certificate. So here just click on self-verified and finally save, finally and next. And this is the final preview page. Check out details and check this declaration and save and final submit. So let's go to the available choices. Well, these are the colleges available. Now let's just click on choice filling and locking. Here you have to provide your choices of colleges. The first college you provide here should be the one with the most priority. The institute and program with the most priority will come to the top. Then the second priority comes to the second. Third priority comes to the third, and thus the list goes on. Well, this is the part many students make mistakes and later they regret, so do it wisely because this counseling will contain 3 rounds. Let's say there are 3 colleges, college A, B and C from top to bottom. In the first round you made it to the college B, right? So in the second round there might be a chance that you may be promoted to college A, but you will never get the college C. That's how it works. So do it wisely. Provide the first priority on the first, second priority on the second, third priority on the third, fourth on the fourth, and thus make the list wisely. And after you create these choices, here you can see your managed of filled choices. You can also rearrange your choices from here. And if you want to delete multiple choices, well, you can also do that from here. Now after you select all the colleges of your choice, which is the lock choice page, and there will be an option for locking your choices. Well, in the first round you have time till 25th of August. Well, if you don't lock your choices till 25th of August, well, it will be automatically locked in the arrangement it was made last. So do it wisely and you're good to go. And the next time you log in, you come into this page, click on this option, and then in the research candidate sign in page, you need to just provide these details and just sign in.
Well, that's pretty much all about WBJEE 2020 counseling application. Go through the process wisely and you're good to go. Well, hope you like the video. Do give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, just hit that red subscribe button down there and ring the bell so that you get notified every time I come up with a new video. Well, that's all for this one, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.